Relief and rescue operations in the flood-hit state of Jammu and Kashmir have been stepped up, with the Indian Air Force using relief aircraft and choppers to rescue those stranded in flooded areas. Srinagar is one of the worst-hit areas, with water levels showing no signs of receding. Several areas are still inundated, with people appealing for help.
Situation continues to be very, very grim in the Kashmir Valley, and particularly in Srinagar. And I am in South Srinagar area, and here, as you can see, people are trying to ferry whoever is stuck inside themselves. There's absolutely no help coming in from the administration or from the army. No one here from the administration, and they're locally trying to, in whatever resources they have, they're trying to pull them in, and through these boats and through tire tubes and whatever they have at their disposal, they're trying to get people out of these areas. Still, hundreds of people, thousands of them are stuck in their houses in second, third floors, and unfortunately they were expecting that the water levels will recede, but that is not happening. Water levels are continuing to go high, and today, in fact, this complete area has been submerged through the night. New areas of Srinagar, including Barbarsha, Habakadal, were completely submerged by gushing waters of the Jhelum River. Embankments have been breached in several areas, and as you can see, if I'll ask my cameraman to just stand to his right, these are the scenes in various areas of Srinagar where people are themselves trying to save others. People who have come to safety are using these vehicles, heavy vehicles like trucks. They are trying to get them out of these areas because the small vehicles just cannot move from this kind of water. So this is the scene in most of the areas. People trying to save people, and in fact, you can see there are people who have been rescued from the Jainpura, from the Vimna areas, and they have been ferried in this and they've been taken to safety. And these are the boats. If I can show you, these are the boats that locally people are getting whatever resources they have. They're pulling in, and these are our locals. These are locals who are trying to save people from inside. So basically, although there have been efforts and there have been claims made by the state government and other people that they're reaching every nook and corner, but that is not correct. There are still many areas where people are stuck and they are not being able to reach, and now locals are trying to pull in whatever resources they have and are trying to save people. And still, situation very, very grim in Srinagar.
There is no help from the central or the state government, security forces, army, anybody from the government. We are getting no help at all.
Right.
These are local Jawans. These are our children who are rescuing our elderly people, the children. Newborn people have been rescued by.
So how many people are still stuck inside, and who you are saving them? How are you managing to save people?
More than 100 people, old and young and ladies, are trapped inside. One story is underwater. There may be more than 100. I personally rescued some army people, requested some army men to please help us. No help came. They promised it will send, but nobody. These are makeshift boats.
Absolutely no help since yesterday.
No help at all. We have made these dinghy boats out of those tubes of the trucks, and we are rescuing people, ferrying people on that, risking our lives.
Right. Although this area is very close to Srinagar, and you're saying still in this area, which is very accessible.
Area in the Srinagar city, so-called posh area, but these have been left to their destiny.
Right.
There is no assistance at all. These, what do you say? These services of this BSNL, Airtel, Aircel, all are shut.